Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's freezing a lot, so I don't know if the video is freezing.
Just gotta get an aerial view. Let's come over here. So I think that's the placenta right there.
Yeah, that is a placenta.
There's a little fetus. Well, not fetus. Embryo. Pop out. That's weird. It's like a jelly this time.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes the liquid.
Yeah, that's
My water broke.
yeah, that's exactly what that is. I don't remember the name, but yeah. Líquido embriomático in Spanish. I don't know how the fuck you say it in English.
Bunny. Bunny baby.
No, I'm talking about the liquid.
I don't know Spanish.
The líquido kind of sounds like liquid, though.
Lady juice.
But let's
Lady baby juice.
let's see the placenta. Make sure
Okay.
this body wasn't drinking during pregnancy.